Do you want to see a lovely thing in Irish culture from Donegal here? Dal me seo my uncle. Ma chi tú scalp na sculch carrick mar seo. Fan go vector seo. The water that's lying on a rock, ma ta pull on na sculch na scalp, and ish in tishket and a lion shin. Berter Tobar gan yeri shin. So a well without wanting it, I suppose. I guess to go al yesterday bunchlish and tishkishin. So Jerta go joculat hena costraku. I guess go yesterday a bunchlish. My current to air fanya knokabi marshande. So isn't that nice? So Tobar gan yeri, it's called. So next time you see water lying on a crevice like that there, it's said that there's medicinal healing qualities with it. So Tobar gan yeri, Gaeilge Dúlra.